First, this sample job text inform till customer from the public link. Then fill all contact details, company name, email, phone number, address, and service details, and description information, budget, and source. Then I am adding all the information this in this sample job intake form. Then I fill this contact detail, company name, email, phone number, address, and I select service detail, and then information. Clicking on this budget, range, source, how did you about us, then upload image is optional, and I am submitting this sample job intake form, and I submitting this form added in this sample job intake form. This is the record where we add in this sample job public link. Then I am creating the quotation for this create quotation button for this sample job intake form lead. Then quote number is auto populate, so auto number, and this existing customer name, address, auto fill from this sample job intake form, which I fill in to public link. Then I add color and this length select. Then this total fit added in this section 1, section 3, section 3 field, and this I am selecting this roof line. Then I am switching on this linear fit, 50 fit, and this roof line total is auto populate through this formula, and this running code total added this total feet and roof line total. Then I am submitting this quotation form. When I am submitting this quotation form, this form is auto populate through all quotation report where I send quote to the customer. Then I'm clicking on this send quote request form has been sent successfully in email. Then I'm checking my email. This mail goes to the customer to review quote. Then I am clicking this review quote. In this customer shows all the detail which fill in sample job intake form, name, email ID, phone number, and grand total of quotation, quote number. Then customer accepts the quote and denied. So now customer accept the quote, accepted the quote. Now this okay quote number status changed to accepted, and create invoice button is enabled and send quote button is disabled. Then I'm creating this invoice. So this invoice number auto populate from the auto number, and this existing customer name, address, service detail, colors, quotation total auto populate to the quotation, working quotation. Then I'm submitting this invoice. This then I this invoice auto populate all invoice report. In this invoice report, I'm sending the invoice to send customer to review this invoice. Then I'm clicking on this send invoice button. invoice request has been found successfully in email. And I'm checking my email. This is the invoice template to review the invoice. And I'm clicking on this review invoice. All the information will in invoice form, how to calculate this invoice PDF template, invoice ID number, name, email ID, phone number, address, and total. Okay, this is the name and date, invoice date. Okay, this is the invoice template. Then here send invoice button is disabled and draft, paid, and cancel button. Then if invoice is in draft, I'm clicking this draft button, and if invoice is cancelled, I'm clicking this cancel button, and this invoice is paid. So invoice payment status is changed to paid. And when I clicking this draft button, so invoice payment status is draft. And when I clicking this cancel button, invoice payment status cancel. So I am clicking on this paid button. So invoice payment status is paid, and then the create work order button is enabled to create work order to install the light. So I am clicking on this create work order button, and this work order number auto populates for auto number, and this existing customer name, address, service detail, quotation total auto populate from the invoice form. Okay, then I'm clicking on this submit button, and work order is creating. Okay, this work order is create all work order report. Here I assign work order for particular technician, team member person who's installation the light, and I'm clicking on this assign work order button and select assigning which install the light. This currently showing this three technician person. So I am clicking on this neatest test to work order assign and submitting, and work order assigned for this neatest test. That's all.